Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful kitchen gadget that's been making waves for its versatility and ease of use. If you've been searching for the best Pancake Maker Mini on the market, look no further than the Dash Mini Maker Waffle Maker and Griddle combo. This dynamic duo is not just for waffles. It opens up a world of culinary possibilities right in your kitchen. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. As you can see, this set includes a mini waffle maker and a griddle, both in a charming aqua color. The first thing that strikes me is how compact and lightweight these machines are. Weighing just about 1 pound each, they're perfect for smaller kitchens, college dorms, or even for taking along on camping trips. The sleek design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, fitting easily on your countertop without taking up too much space. Now, let's talk about the design and build quality. Both the waffle maker and griddle feature a non-stick surface, which is a game changer for easy cooking and cleanup. The non-stick coating ensures that your waffles and pancakes come out perfectly every time, without the hassle of sticking. Plus, the compact size means you can whip up individual servings, making it ideal for kids or for when you're on the go. Alright, let's put these appliances to the test. I've prepared a simple pancake batter, and I'm excited to see how quickly we can cook up a delicious breakfast. First, I'll plug in the waffle maker. It heats up in mere minutes, so you won't be waiting long. Once the indicator light signals that it's ready, I'll pour in the batter and close the lid. While we wait, let's get the griddle ready. I'll make some mini pancakes to complement our waffles. The dual cooking surfaces allow me to prepare both at the same time, maximizing efficiency in the kitchen. And voila! Look at these beautiful waffles and pancakes. They cook evenly and have that perfect golden brown color. Now, let's give them a taste. Wow, these are delicious. The texture is just right, and they're perfectly cooked. The Dash Mini Maker really delivers on its promise of convenience and taste. Whether you're making breakfast for one or hosting a brunch with friends, this little gadget has got you covered. One of the best features of the Dash Mini Maker is its versatility. It's not just for waffles and pancakes. You can also make paninis, hash browns, and even cookie dough treats. The included recipe book gives you great ideas to get started, and with access to a database of thousands of recipes, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Dash Mini Maker Waffle Maker and Griddle set is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their breakfast game. Its compact design, ease of use, and versatility make it the best Pancake Maker Mini on the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this set will surely bring joy and creativity to your cooking experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on kitchen gadgets and appliances. Until next time, happy cooking!